So guys, today we are testing this modified 95X V3. It used to have a Cadex Vista on the... Wait, can I swap the camera? Hold on, let me swap the camera. Right, so this one used to have a Cadex Vista here, but I have replaced it with an 03. And I have tested this yesterday, but today I want to do a full flight with a fresh pack and see how it goes. It's a bit windy, maybe it's gonna rain soon. We'll see how it goes. I will see how it goes. Okay, let me start the recording on my goggles on the drone. Oh, I need to arm it a bit. Start recording. Alright, recording has commenced.
Engines disarm.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off this camera. I'm gonna turn off my phone. Go 16.3. Just gonna clean the lens. Alright, all the best. Let's go. Why is it focusing on the ground?
Engines on acro mode, air mode, horizon mode, air mode.
Oh, that is sad. Okay, so when you're recording on 30 FPS, you'll record your goggles will also
Engines disarm.
record at 30 FPS. So let me stop this recording and change the setting.
Engines armed. Engines
Okay, much
disarm.
better. 60 FPS. Here we go.
Engines armed.
Wind is coming from the right. .9 volts. Let's see what we have here. Wind changing direction. .6. Let's try to go up a bit. Doesn't really go well on a gloomy day. Oh, water! I thought this pond was empty. .40 Mbps. Whoa. Close call. Come on, 03. Looks clear. .2. .3. Let's try to pitch it forward a bit, see how fast it can. Oh, battery. Starts crying. We are at 14 volts with only, I don't see, with only a 2.5 minutes of flight time, and the battery is already down to 14 volts. Let's land this thing. Maybe get another.
Engines disarmed.
Maybe get another battery. I didn't bring you one. Motors are a bit warm, but are fine. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Engines on. Engines disarmed.
This is gonna be the last battery for this drone. I'll be fine. Stopping up that. It's a bit hot now. Okay, I'll stay here. Right.
Engines armed.
Stop recording. Okay. Let's go. It's a lot of wind too. To fight. Let's try here again. 50 mbs. Dropping to 35, 28, 34. No power, or maybe it's just no power, no power. Let's do a sprint here. 3, 2, 1, go. It's shaking. Battery is dying. So these are not new batteries. I'm not gonna try to push it that much from now. Maybe, I don't know. Better not. 35, 46. Oh. .1 volts when pushing. Oh, 13.8, 13.7, 13.6.
Engines disarm.
That's it. Alright, thank you very much, guys. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. Can I do it without checking?